Hello and welcome to PCN Pulse, your first stop for all fintech, SaaS, e-commerce, and cyber news, delivered to you weekly by PCN Media. French startup Spendesk reaches unicorn status after raising an extension to its Series C funding round, now at a market valuation of over 1 billion euros. Now, 5 other French startups also achieved unicorn status in January 2022 alone: Anchorstore, Exotech, PayFit, and Conto. Spendesk provides a corporate spend management platform for mid-market clients or customers with up to 1,000 employees. Microsoft looks to acquire Activision Blizzard, a game development and interactive entertainment company. Microsoft's presence in the gaming business across PCs, mobiles, consoles, cloud, and other building blocks for the, you guessed it, metaverse will be boosted by the transaction. At $95 per share, the total acquisition costs $68.7 billion. The acquisition will include rights to popular games like Call of Duty, Diablo, Warcraft, and Candy Crush. Tesla will start accepting Dogecoin. The catch is that it will not issue refunds for purchases made in Doge. It clarified that it will not accept any crypto yet. All sales made in Dogecoin are final. PayPal starts exploring stablecoin as part of its cryptocurrency push. Developer Steve Moser first discovered the hidden code in images now dubbed PayPal coin. The code indicates that such a coin could be backed by the US dollar. Buy now, pay later companies Australian-based Zip and US-based Sezzle are in talks to merge. The potential merge will boost Sezzle shares by 23%. The merging of the two direct competitors will prove to be stiff competition for global competitors like Afterpay and Klarna. That's it from us. Thanks for watching. Tune in next week for more industry news from us.